Hello dear friends, welcome back. Today we are discussing Kerala Set Exam question paper July 2018, questions from 76 to 100. So first question is, The Rex Sisters by Highway. The Rex Sisters by Highway is, the right answer is option A play. It is a two-act play written by Highway. And it is centered around 7 women. Their hopes, aspirations, etc. are the theme of this play. Then next question, The English Patient and Coming Through Slaughter are the works by, both are the works by Michael Ondaatje, and we have discussed this novel in a previous video. Then next question is, Moving Image and Birds are the collections of poetry by. These are the collections of poetry by Judith Wright. The Moving Image is her first book of poems. It was dedicated to her father. Woman to Man, Old Prison, Bora King, Train Journey. These are some of her famous works. Then the next question is, Patrick White, the Nobel laureate was. Patrick White, the Nobel laureate, is an Australian. He is from Australia, Australian writer. Question number 79, the right answer is option B, Australia. It's very important for NET also. He is an Australian writer and his famous work is Voss. 1957 work was VOSS. In 1973, he received a Nobel Prize. 1973, he received a Nobel Prize for Literature. His famous works are The Riders in the Chariot, Tree of Man, The Soul Mandala. And the next question number 80, Lejja is a work by, Taslima Nasrin, and she was from Bangladesh, and Lejja was published in the year 1993. In 1993 itself, a fatwa was issued against her in reaction to her novel Lejja, which depicts the persecution of a Hindu family by Muslims. And the next question number 81, IPA stands for, the right answer is option B, International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA stands for option B, International Phonetic Alphabet. The next question number 82, the term which refers to the influence of one sound segment upon the articulation of another, so that the two sounds become more alike or even identical. The right answer is option B, assimilation. Option B, assimilation is the right answer. For example, cupboard. Cupboard is cupboard. We pronounce like this, cupboard. The next question number 83. A word element that can be attached either to the beginning, the middle, the root or the base of a word to form a new word is called. The right answer is option A, affix. And there are three main affixes, that is prefix, infix and suffix. Prefix, for example, unwilling, that's prefix, it occurs at the beginning. In the example unwilling, un is the prefix here. Infixes, English has no infixes. Suffixes, for the right example is argument and punishment, meant in argument and punishment. Meant in argument and punishment. Question. The branch of linguistics that is concerned with the meaning is known as. The right answer is semantics. Semiotics and semiology are associated with the study of signs and symbols. Signs, S-I-G-N, signs and symbols. Symbology is the study of symbols. Next question. The original language from which the Indo-European family is believed to have descended is known as. The right answer is option B, Proto-Indo-European. The right answer is Proto-Indo-European. Then the next question. Old English is also known as. Old English is also known as Anglo. Option. Right answer is option D, Anglo-Saxon. Old English is also known as Anglo-Saxon. Next question. Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer wrote in Middle English. He used East Midland dialect. Next question. The Lavaloon and Pandemonium are the words believed to have been coined by. The right answer is option A, John Milton. Lavaloon and Pandemonium. Pandemonium is a word invented by John Milton for the mentioning the capital of hell in Paradise Lost. Then the next question. Languages formed by attempts at communication by two mutually unintelligible speech communities are called pidgin. It's called pidgin. Register is a variety of language used in different social situations. Cant is a jargon or language of group used to mislead people of the people outside group. Then dialect is a regional variety of language. Dialect is a regional variety of language. The next question. Question number 90. The notion of Old English was propounded by. It was propounded by option B, Braj B. Kashru. The right answer is option B, Braj B. Kashru. Then question number 91. The psychology of learning which is focused on intelligence and inner mental activities. The right answer is option A, cognitivism. The right answer is option A, cognitivism. Then next question. In the context of language learning, RFT refers to relational frame theory. RFT refers to relational frame theory. The next question. The official languages of the country are listed in the schedule to the Constitution of India. It's in the 8th schedule. It's included in the 8th schedule. The next question. ESL refers to English as a second language. ESL refers to English as a second language. The next question. The method of language teaching where students learn in a close-knit community with the teacher counselors is. The right answer is option A, CLL. It is CLL. Then next question. Match the subtitles or alternate titles with the titles of the works. First question. Tess of the D. Abervillius. The right answer is A Pure Woman Faithfully Presented. It's a work by Thomas Hardy. The subtitle is A Pure Woman Faithfully Presented. She Stoops to Conquer. She Stoops to Conquer is a comedy by Oliver Goldsmith, and it is about the theme of the play takes place in one long night. So the answer is Mistakes of a Night is a subtitle. Pamela is a work by Richardson, and the subtitle of this play is Pamela or the Virtue Rewarded. Then importance of being earnest. The subtitle is Trivial Comedy for Serious People. It's written by Oscar Wilde. A trivial comedy for serious people. The next is option B. Right answer is option B. In language teaching at the elementary and secondary levels, The best lesson plans are dynamic. Best lesson plans are dynamic. Question number 98. CALL refers to computer assisted language learning. Computer assisted language learning is CALL. Next question. Test designed to assess the current state of a student's ability or progress is. A test designed to assess the current state of a student's ability or progress is a diagnostic test. It's a diagnostic test. Then next question is, the mother tongue interference refers to the influence of. Right answer is option A, L1 and L2. Right answer is L1 and L2. Hope you enjoyed this video.